Peace. All right, so my regulator is now starting to rock, all right, which is an indication that I am at the proper PSI that I need to be to start the timer for processing my navy beans. All right, so if you look in the back there, you can see I actually have already started my timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes because that is the time required for quart-sized jar navy beans. Okay, I've got a nice steady rock going on here. Beautiful, that's what we want. We don't want it to stop rocking. We don't want it to be, rocking too fast. But nice steady rock is what we want. All right, and so we'll just let this continue. Keep an eye on it. Make sure that it maintains the rock, a steady rock, and we are good to go. Now let's look over here. Let's look at some action now. So this one is now starting to rock now. Unfortunately, I should have turned my heat down. So I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. So it's rocking really fast, and my pressure is going a little bit past the 11 psi. All right, but it's okay. We're good. I turn my heat down a little bit, and it's wobbling, it's moving. That lets me know that the pressure is built up. So that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. It's just that we don't want the PSI to get too high, because we don't want to exhaust all of the liquid out of our canner, for number one, and we don't want to get over into the caution zone either. So this is really where we want to be. We want to be at the 11 psi. Right now it looks like it's kind of at a 12. Right, see that there? And as you can see, my regulator is bouncing around kind of rapidly. I don't want that. I really want it to be more of a steady rock like this one here. See that one? Nice steady rock. This one is all over the place, doing a little salsa dance right there. We want a little R&B, a little two-step going on, okay? We don't want, a little hip-hop going on over here, okay? So we'll give this time to come down a little bit. But either way, my timer is going for 75 minutes. Okay, I don't need to wait for it to slow down to start the timer because the pressure is built up. As long as it doesn't stop moving, then the pressure is built up. So it is processing. I just want it to come down a little bit. All right, peace.